Hello everyone, welcome to my channel All Rounder Anirudh. So as you can see, I am here with another video and it's the series of basic language tutorial. So let's now begin with today's class. So now as you can see, I'm in front of my computer screen. So at first let's open today's notes. So it's adding shapes and images in basic language, especially in QB64. This is the syntax of basically QB64. Okay, so here inserting image in QB64, structure, dim, this, there are many things like this, do not go with it. Just now open QB64 and inhale a peaceful breath. Okay, so now let us at first write dim. So I have just I think I didn't tell you what is the function of dim, but actually it refers to means making the program know that what is this. You say dim image as long, just go with it. Okay, so dim image as long, and then it differs as the image as something that you are bringing from outer side and pasting in your program. So dim image as long, and then define our screen that I have taught you. So new screen, so new image, and in the bracket let's write 800 600 32. Now it's 32. Previously I wrote 12 because it couldn't support the text, but 32 supports your picture. So now dim image is long. Now what you have to write is that image means the variable or the pictures variable that you have got, and equals to image equals to what? Image equals to load something, load image. This image here, this image is not the variable. Okay, image means bringing one picture. Okay, so bringing one picture here. Okay, so now image equals to load image, and let's now write what's our image name. Suppose I am talking about my pic. I have given name of like my pic, and it's my picture. You can see it's not perfect picture, but we can write it. So my pic dot what is this jpg file. So my pic dot jpg. Okay, so this is the normal syntax we write about it. There's load image, what to be loaded, this thing is to be loaded, and if this has been successfully loaded, so what we have to write, underscore put image, put our image where you have to define our means where what is the dimension actually. So 0, 0, it is the dimension means it is about, you can say its places, coordinates. Okay, so at first 0 is x coordinate and that is y coordinate. So this thing, and then comma, which picture has to be loaded. Then if we take another picture from here, I see if I take the picture of my picture, this picture. Okay, so it's loading. I think it's video. Okay, so let's just this is another picture. So if I just to make us just for better understand, if I write here A like this, and if I now save it, cancel, you have to save it. So save it, letting your ink dry means it's very funny thing, means the ink that I have given, it is drying. So let's wait for it. We have enough time of our video. Okay, so letting your ink dry. So now what we are going to actually understand is that why we have to define that which picture we have to do. if I am taking another picture, then what will happen actually? So for that thing, this thing is going on. Okay, so it's done. See, it's done. Actually it was just one video, it got a video. So this is the picture that was that. So now let's copy it and let us now paste it in this QB64 folder. So now paste it and now rename it as my pict, PICT. Okay, my pict. And now here again if we write dim like pic as long, and here again load one picture. So pic is equals to underscore load image and then define which image to be picked. So my pict dot jpg, and then this thing has done. Now here if we are giving image like this, and if we are now running it, then let's see what happens actually. As you can see, my picture is now visible, but where is the A sign? That A sign is in another picture. So now this comma is very much important. If we write in this thing like PIC, because PIC is another picture, you can see that A mark there. Okay, so you can see one A mark there. So it is the most important thing, this comma, and this is obviously the important thing. You have to define the coordinate, otherwise how will your program just identify the where to put your image? I have taken your image, and where to put your image? I have enough space. The computer will say that I have enough space where to put our image. So you will be saying that. Okay, so now our this thing has been done, inserting an image here, and now inserting shapes in Q means basic language. So at first lines, we have to at first do about line. So CLS, we know that CLS, what is CLS? So CLS means clear the screen, do not repeat anything. Okay, so CLS is written, we write actually. So learn this, that there is CLS also. CLS is one program, and also you have to learn which thing, that there is one sign, we know that this sign, and if we write Anirudh, then the computer is saying nothing. Why is it so? Because it is one, means you can say this is one statement, or you can say this is one notes. This is a very good boy. So anything is here, this is one note. You can, for your better understanding, you can do that. Okay, so CLS, and then after do what is that, define one screen, SCRWN, and screen, then new image. So it's very difficult, every time you have to do, nothing shortcut is there for that. So we are doing what to do. So now it's 12-bit I am giving. Okay, so now how to insert one line. So structure is line, starting coordinate, this thing. Now let's copy it and let's now paste it here. So starting coordinate means at first our starting coordinate. Okay, so starting coordinate, let us give as if I say about a straight line which is vertical straight line. So how to do our vertical straight line? Okay, at first let us define the x thing which is 50, and then let's define our y axis which is, you can say, 90, and our end coordinate which will be actually 50 only, because we are totally vertically, and 90 will be changed to, means 90 is our thing, and 90 to 20. So 90 minus 20, which is 70, will describe what, and this color code gives 7. You can say 7 is what code. We have this thing here, we have 7 is white or grey, so white in color, so our line will be white in color actually. Okay, so now this is 7 and 50 90 minus 20, which is 70 pixel is the length of our line. Let's see what happens. It should come in a straight line, as you can see. So it is in a straight line. So it is a small picture. If I do something that I extend this into 180 and if I give 360, then it will be means recognizable. Its size will be recognizable. You can see. Yes, it's pretty good. And this thing, where the mouse is I am taking from, this is the x axis of starting as well as ending point, which are the same. Means this is the ending point. Always you have to see that the line or anything comes from this lower right side to upper left side. So this is the starting point always. So starting point is which thing? Starting point is our 360, means from x axis. So from here this is 360 length and this thing's length is 20, so 20 will be minus and this will remain 340 as our length. And this is our x axis, which is same for both, so it is means it has not been tilted. So what if we make it as tilt? So we have to change here with 50. If I give 100, then what will happen, do you know? This thing will change like this, it will go slanting. Let us check if it works or not. So you can do many experiments like this. So as you can see, it has just been tilted. Okay, so our experiment is successful. So it is about line. Our line thing also has been done. So let us erase that. And what is this styling sheet is coming from where, I don't know, but we have to open this, which is our main thing. So inserting shape in the lines we have completed. Now circles. Now let's talk about circles. So circle, how to write or how to make one circle? CIRCLE. The spelling of circle I got just. So now circle. So at first we have to define the center coordinate. Means we know that means to draw one circle, what do we need? We need one point, means which is the center, as well as we need the length of radius. Then with compass we can draw it very much easily, you can say. So circle in a plane, we have to obviously define where to draw the circle. So for that we have to define one center. So centers, you can say centers coordinate is, I say 100 is our in the 100 pixel x axis, and y axis will be also, let's say 200 pixel. And then now close it. As I close here, what they say, close and then draw or write the radius is pixel. So what is the radius? Radius, suppose I want the radius to be 50. Okay, sorry, it's a huge, means if I say about 25, and then what's the color? Color, I think colorful yellow. If I do about yellow is 14, I believe. And then now if I run, what we can see? A circle. Yes, as you can see. Oh, we can see our circle, which is not means it cannot be seen properly, but it's small. So like this we can do any experiment with this. We have a lot of time, just means just do this in our free time, and don't forget to just study your each and everything. This is for your advanced study. I say this is for your advanced study, and do this thing when it's your free time. But it is necessary to learn languages. basic language is not needed in any, means you can say any programming anything or that, but if we learn it, our basic concept of this coding will be very much clear. Okay, will be very much clear. And basically we can do work in C, HTML, all other languages which I will be making video. Okay, be patient. And now let's concentrate on our square. So in the square, how to do it? A very simple thing, just it's about the line. Now copy and paste it line. So at first lines starting coordinate, if I give 100 comma, and that is also 100. Okay, and ending coordinate is also 100 comma 100. And now in the color code, what you have to write is I give 14 as that, and then comma give, and then by giving comma write B. B means box. Make this line as box. If we just simply write this, then what will happen? But do you believe that what will happen actually? There will be just one point, because 100 and x axis. Now we want a horizontal, so by horizontal we can change this thing. If I give this 300, then 200 pixel will be what? 200 pixel will be the length of my thing, means line. So as you can see here, it is one line. I want this as rectangle, means square. So how to do it? Comma and then B. If we write B, B means box. Let's see what happens. See, anything didn't happen, because I just see here, it just said me to write capital letter and like this B. And let's now draw it. Okay, sorry, I have one problem here, because see that here I have mentioned that. So now what I have to do to make it as a square? So at first define our initial stage. Suppose in this case initial stage is this. So what will be the x-axis in what will be the x-axis, which is the ending point? Ending point's x-axis is 100. We have mentioned it as 100. So it's 100 distance. And now what is the distance of our vertical line? So vertical line's distance will be from above, it's 100, and from above only it's also 100. So we have to change this to what? We have to change this into 300, and let's see what happens. Now if we do, then what will happen? This thing will be means extended, and you can see that 300 means from the above it will come to 300, and this is actually 300 is our x-axis. So our starting is from here, so this length is 300, and up to this length, which is the y-axis, is 100. So this thing is 100 and total is 300. So what is the length of this line? Which is 200, and this is also 200, because in the same way upside down. So this thing is about our box. So now if we want to fill our box, just write F, and this 14 means yellow. See, your square will be colored yellow color, whole yellow color. Okay, okay, so this thing has been done with square. Now if I want that triangles, to do the triangles, then something to be done, which is I can actually tell that do everything, and this thing in the square we can write by giving this all the lines one by one, and that is a huge process. I hope that you can do it clearly, and I am giving one task, that just write the codes by which you can draw without giving the short method as B. give me the codes by which you can make a square. Okay, so just type it in the comment section, that thing. And now let's erase this. Okay, so line and 300 comma 100, without giving that, at first a starting point. In the starting point, let us give the starting point as what? Let us give our starting point as 500 comma 100, sorry, not 100. So what will be the our from the above thing? So our above will be 100 always, because it's a very good number. So 500, 100, and then in the x axis there also, what we have to do? In the x axis we have to define also 100 in the in if this 500 I make it and 100 is there, and so let us now do something, as let us now print one. Let us copy this at first. Sorry, what I have done, Ctrl plus X, and then now if I run, then it would be very clear to make you understand that this is our plane and we have to make our starting point here. So up to from here to here, the distance is what? Our distance is 500 pixel, we can say. So now let's paste it. 500 pixel is that length, 500 pixel there. Okay, 500 pixel from here. Now we have to cut it our ending point, and ending point will be what? Ending point must be 100. Sorry, 1000, not 100, and then comma, give, and then what is the vertically? 100. Just give it as round off I am taking, and its color is 14 I give. And now if I run, let's cross our old program. Okay, so this thing has been done. Now I want that from here one line extends and its length is 300 pixel. Okay, so its length is 300 pixels. So I will be writing line, sorry, I will be writing Ctrl plus X, sorry, Ctrl plus V, which is the paste option. And now I will be defining, I'll be defining that this line will be vertical line. Okay, so at first our starting point will be which point? Actually our starting point will be the our starting point will be the starting point of, sorry, our starting point will be something else, but our ending point will be as same as our previous starting point, which is 500 comma 100, and our 500 comma 100 has been done, and this thing is our ending point, and this thing we have to change into what? This is our last point, and last point will be 400. This thing, just change this thing as 400. Let us now run and see what happens to our program. Okay, so there is just one line extended here, so we do not want that. What do we want? We want it as just not like this, we want in the next line. So for that, at first let's give the color, which is 14 only, and here it is the starting point, and starting point is always from the bottom. Okay, so bottom it will be 400. Sorry, I have just mistakenly given it. It will be you have this as we can say the length of this 100 and 100. No, no, sorry. Let us now again run it and let's see, because there are all the things you can do experiment about that. So its starting point will be in the middle. Okay, so its starting point will be from here. Okay, so here its starting point will be, so what's the x-axis length, which is 500. Okay, so this will be obviously this will be 500, and this thing, which is our y-axis length, will be what? It will be this is 100, and that should be 400. So and this has been done, so 500 and this will be 100. So let's now try to run it. I hope that it will come. Okay, again there is something problem, but here we have to see that line. Where is that line actually? So 500 will be the second line's length, will be means starting point will be from here, and it starting point is here. So in the x-axis its length will be if this is 400 thing and this is 100, then what will happen is that both sum will be 500. So it is 500 as its x, means as its horizontal thing, and its vertical thing will be what? And its vertical thing will be our, as we said, as its vertical will be not 100. I have given here wrong. Instead it will be, the length will be 100, it will be 400. Okay, so it will be here 400. We have to define it as 400, and then our ending thing, which will be 500 as that, correct, and 100 as that. Now if we run, it must come, otherwise there is some technical problem, we can obviously say. Okay, okay, so this thing has been done. Now what we want to do is triangle, just join these two lines. How to join? Our starting point will be as same as the starting point of the previous thing. So let's now copy it, and this will be 400, and this thing will be what? Now our ending point has to be the point of this. So point of this is 100 and 100, 100 comma 100. So 100 comma 100, and then comma 14. Now our triangle must come. Okay, so our triangle has been done. This is the right angle triangle. Okay, so successfully we have done that. So thank you for today, and I have, I think, shown each and everything about that. Okay, so that coloring or filling any shape, we have to write F, and that's all for today. So thank you guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will be meeting you in the next upcoming videos of this basic language only. Okay, so thank you and bye.